everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Glip app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go here to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Glip and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.